Go ahead.
Thumbnail into it.
What's going on, y'all? Good morning. I got a kind of early start this morning. I forgot to record, but we are starting the process for putting the headers on. So right now I'm taking the manifold off. Not the manifold, the intake. I already got the intake right there, and then I have the assembly still right here about to come out. I just forgot to record this morning, but other shop wasn't gonna work out. They're trying to charge me $1,000 for that, and I really don't think it's worth it to pay that much, especially when you have the own parts and you're just paying for labor. So me and my buddy are gonna tackle this shit. It's about 7:30 right now, and he should be here soon. So let's get this install going. I'll be recording just throughout the process, but we want to try to get this shit done. So sorry if I don't get that much footage. All right, y'all, so Nando still isn't here. Not too sure where he's at. I'm about to hit him up in a little bit, but first I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight real quick. We're gonna make a quick pit stop, because they built one right next to my house now. So we're gonna go ahead and run over there real fast, get some gloves, because this shit is, I learned my lesson enough times. It's time to start working with some goddamn gloves. Like, this shit is ridiculous, because I do not want to bang my hands up. But let's go ahead and go to Harbor Freight real quick, just make that stop, and keep going. I already have the 2 bolts for the motor mounts off. I don't know what I'm gonna work on next. Everything up top is pretty much done. I should probably try to disconnect some bolts, or at least loosen them. But I'm gonna see if they have like a swivel too while I'm there, just to pick it up, just to have it, just in case. I'll return it if I don't need it, but I do have a swivel. I just want to see if they have a dedicated like swivel, so that it'll make it a little bit easier for us. All right, ladies and gents, we got some gloves, and then we got a couple extra things. We got just a wrench set, because I know I'll need it for the O2 sensor. And then we got a magnetic tray, like a magnetic tool holder. But look, this new ass Harbor Freight right by my house comes in so clutch. If y'all have never been to a Harbor Freight before, I suggest y'all go, because that place is like it's like a man's dream, even woman's dream. Like, it's so cheap and so nice. Oh, we got a whole crew of Mustangs. Let me roll up and see what they got. Okay, you got the Cobra, got the Saline, okay, like that. Oh yeah, what they doing? I guess they about to cruise or something. Oh yeah, and then we got one getting gas right here. Yeah, they look good. That's random as fuck, but I mean, it's a nice ass day outside, and I know people are getting tired of the rain. Oh, the camera wasn't even pointing at me. It's a nice ass day outside, and I know people are getting tired of the rain and cold weather, so I don't blame them. As soon as these headers go on, we are riding out, baby. So let's get back home, get to working on these headers, and be done. Oh, we got a Fox body. Okay, that's what's up. They look good. All right, let's go home, y'all. This is kind of nice though, getting back to the roots of what I used to do. Like, I used to just do installs and meets all the time, but now it's just really meets, and that's about it, like minor stuff. But now we're doing major stuff to the car, you know, for the car season. So I'm excited, and I'm excited for the content that's gonna come with it. But she's gonna be loud as hell when we get that shit on. So hopefully it'll move kind of fast. It's 9:18 right now. I want to see some good progress by like 11, and that's probably when I'll update you guys again, just to see where we're at. It's kind of difficult right now because we're just on stands and ramps. I picked up some ramps. I picked up a lot of shit really for this job, just to make it easier. The ramps are so nice, especially for like changing oil, so I'm definitely going to use those, but they're not as high as I'd like. But we can still get to it where, I mean, I'm a bigger guy, but I mean, I can still fit underneath to get to what I need to. and I can still do stuff from the top too. Like I got the swivel arm and everything. So it just helps to have the right tools when you're doing the job, you know what I mean? So this just feels good, you know. It feels like I'm getting back to my roots with YouTube, getting back to what I used to do. I know I don't have, you know, a huge following, but 146 is awesome. You know, I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I thank you guys for watching my videos and giving me feedback. So we're almost home. We'll get back to putting the headers on, and then we'll update you guys probably around 11, see how it's going. Hopefully it's done. Probably won't be done, but hopefully we're making good progress. Y'all never fucking believe it. Y'all will never believe it till you see it. Look, charge me $1,000. $1,000 for what? For what? Let me tell you something. $1,000 for what? Easy fucking work. Sorry I haven't been keeping you guys updated, but we got the old ones cut off too. And we got the driver's side off. So that was the easy side. So now we're gonna do the hard side. Just wanted to keep y'all updated real quick. We're about to get this shit done. Maybe another hour, hour and a half. And we're out of here, bro.
Much later.
All right, a little update for you guys. Here's the H-pipe and exhaust. I can show you where I hit something. I dinged this thing up pretty good right there. You'll see that dent. But little quick update. I've been working on this thing for like 3 days now, going on 4. And there was one bolt, one stud, excuse me, that was just getting in the way of everything. Like, it was holding me up. That held me up for 2 days by itself. I bought one of these stripped bolt extractors. This stripped bolt extractor pulled this thing out like it was no problem. You see how 8 up that is? Oh my god, it made it easy work for me. It made it so easy. Like, I got down here, hammered it. I put some PB Blaster, hammered it on, waited a couple minutes, came back out, twisted it. That was it. It was over with. And then from there, I just went to town getting all these bolts off. But here, I'll show you guys real quick underneath the progress. There's the new headers on the driver's side. Those were easy. And then here's the headers on the passenger side. And all, as you can see, oh fuck, it's windy. Just got slapped in the face. All the bolts for the passenger side are pretty much off. I just have 2. I have this one right up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right up here somewhere. And then I have one further up there. So that's what I'm trying to get off now. But I'm getting this put on today. So let me get back up there. I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know where I was at. And I'll see y'all when she starts up. All right, y'all, I don't think I ever gave you an official update. So the headers are on and she sounds great. So all I'm doing now today is I need to finish putting the rest of the exhaust on, and then I need to do my O2 sensors. So that's what we're gonna get started on today. We're gonna do the O2 sensors, and then we're gonna finish putting the rest of the exhaust on. And that should be about it. I have to get these freaking O2 sensors out though, because I did some kind of sketchy shit. So I gotta try to get those out because they're on there pretty tight. And splice some wires, and that should be about it. Then you can officially hear what she sounds like. But if you've been on my Instagram, you've heard it for a while. She sounds really good. I've had it on for about 2 days now, so I've been really excited. But let's go out there, finish up with that, and then go to a meet tonight, because there's a meet and I'm ready for it to show out a little bit. Woo. Alrighty, y'all, she's officially finished as far as what I can do. I still have the rest of the exhaust off right here, because I'm needing to get that welded, because the diameter on those right there is too small for these clamps to do anything. So I'm gonna have to take it and get it welded, that part at least, because they fit in there perfectly. They fit so good, but that clamp is too small to do anything. It's too small to affect it. So I'm gonna give you all the first start, and we're gonna set you guys up back here. y'all, so I kind of came to my super secret hiding spot to kind of show you guys everything I've pretty much did to the car, which I mean everything is pretty much under the car, but you can hear a difference. Like, you freaking hear that? Maybe you guys can see it. She sounds good. So as of right now, there's no exhaust tips because there's no cat back. There's no H pipe on there right now. She's just connection pipes, but she looks good right now. Look at that. Ooh, she looking real pretty right now. But so the plan for the rest of the exhaust is to go to a shop and probably get it welded, just because like I said earlier, the pipes don't fit on the connection pipes. Like, they fit snug, but the clamps that I got from it's kind of windy out there. The clamps that I got from Texas Speed, they're too big, so they wouldn't even, like, if I tightened it down all the way, like, it wouldn't do anything because they're too big. So what I have to do is I have to go to a shop and get it welded on there, which shouldn't be that much, and then we'll be sounding normal. But she sounds good as hell. Like, when I accelerate and everything, like, I'll do an acceleration for you guys just straight ahead. She sounds good. She sounds like she's purring. Like, I'm gonna turn around up here and then y'all can hear. Hear that? God damn. She sounds like a completely different car. Like, she does not sound the same. God, she does not sound the same at all. She sounds so good. But I'm probably not gonna film when I get the rest of the exhaust put on. So this is probably gonna end it for the video. 3 freaking days, no, more than 3 days. All right, y'all, so anyway, this is gonna conclude today's video. Tell me what you guys thought of what she sounds like. Tell me what you guys think of how she looks and everything right now, and what else should I do to her. But as for now, I'll catch y'all later.